Welcome back to our channel. Today we discuss about the every year held the civil service examination, and today I am discussing about in English. As I have no board, that is why I am telling you in a papers. So you follow this. This is part 1. After 12th class or graduate, lots of aspirants are preparing for GOVT exams every year, but they do not know how we can proceed, in which way we can crack it, how many hours to study, how many days to read out, which topic should we spend more, how many difficulties are there to crack a government exams as well as very difficult exams. Now discussing here step by step about the exams. So lots of exams are held by different states every year by the centrals, say combined graduate level examinations, and the every year held civil service examinations for departments officers, for government jobs, I think banks, LICs, and any other sectors. That is a common thing that you should first to know the basics of all you have studied in 9-10. So we have step by step about the exams discussing here. Today we discuss specially about the civil service examinations. Now we discuss only for state civil service examinations, not for UPSC. Every state has held their examination in a year, and we you know that like Jharkhand, Odisha, Assam, West Bengal. That is West Bengal popular examination is West Bengal civil service examination. But this year, because of COVID, not date of examination not published. I think they will publish it very soon, as lots of aspirants are going to prepare at home because of COVID-19. The job is highly reduced because of pandemic. So we discuss first for the civil services. It has two parts to crack for the civil service exam. Especially we discuss about the West Bengal civil service exam and state civil service, others in Eastern India states. So it has two parts for qualifying to Viva, then appointment, or it before training, or it to get to appointment. So civil service has two parts, preliminary and main. Then for Viva, then training, then appointment. So we discuss about preliminary. First we have to know about the preliminary part. So before form fill up, you should know that the civil service exam has 3 stages: preliminary, main, and Viva. So what are the syllabus and eligibility criteria? Eligibility is you have to age between 20 to 40, or some states 21 to 40 years. Group A, B, C, D varies for different states. And preliminary almost MCQ based, or it duration is 2.5 hours for West Bengal civil service examination. And that's just it is 3 hours or 2 hours maybe. Or syllabus is almost same. Or requirements, you have to graduate in, and you calculate your age in which year, about which year it is published, and you go to the official website of it, the respective states official website. The syllabus is preliminary plus Viva. Syllabus you have, if you should it must be noted that you should be prepared, or not only for preliminary part, because you should prepare for mains plus by mains, basically, because if you prepare for by mains, then it will be easier for you to crack the exams, and it will be a thoroughly study for 6 to 8 months or 1 year thoroughly study about the mains, because of you will cover mains, then it will be great for your, it also include the preliminary. So as preliminary is of MCQ, but mains are subjective topic based, as compulsory papers is there, and UPSC there is subjective topic based. So we today discuss about the syllabus. State Civil Service preliminary and main syllabus is almost same. Indian history, and with special reference to Indian histories, ancient Indian history, medieval, modern, Indian polity, Indian economy, Indian geography. Okay, Indian history, ancient, medieval, modern. Once again, and science, you should follow the daily science basic NCERT books 9-10, and you should follow current affairs is there, recent events, basics of physics, chemistry and biology, mathematics, numerical ability of class 9 and 10, English, follow class 9-10 level English always, sometimes 11-12, little bit reasonings. This is the syllabus. Okay, so that's it for today. We again coming back another video with latest topics, so stay tuned.